right, what is going on? Today is February 6th. It is Friday. Oh, wow, the market's crashing. Not very surprised. No, but seriously, the market's been crashing. Oh, like yesterday? That's pretty cool. Um, so a bigger time frame. We really could go lower, honestly. Oh, we got this 4 hour, unfilled 4 hour up here. And then on the 1 hour, we have another 1 hour for value gap right here. And yeah. I'm gonna play it slow today. I don't really know what we're gonna do. Got these two for value gaps. I'm kind of in between right now, so I kind of need to see us hit one of those. All right. All right, we SMT'd in the 1 hour. What we were waiting for. I'm still like, we got news at 9 again. Incredible. Okay. Well, I didn't really get an entry for that, but whatever. It's fine. I would have never entered. That never would have been an entry for me in a million years. Where things get sketchy. So I'm not too keen on taking another trade this week. Oh my gosh, we're just really going up. All right, so bounce off the 1 hour into this 4 hour. Very cool. SMT completed. We don't care about that anymore. watch these fair value gaps. I got this one. We're gonna need to see something like really good in order to take a trade. Looks really good. A really good setup. Because yesterday was a golden setup. I just had to close early because of news. But yesterday was a goated setup. You only get like a few of those a week. Friday is definitely usually not one of those days. Friday is usually where you get terrible setups. So, kind of just gonna wait. Because now we're in this 4 hour, so it's like I'm not gonna take any trades in the 4 hour. Because on the 1 hour, we actually bounced off that and we're going higher. But I want to see if we respect this or not. I would like to take a long here, but I have to wait because we're in these imbalances. There's a high probability price is going to reverse if we're in these imbalances. So. Hopefully Bitcoin is up a little bit. It's at 68. Nice. Could bounce off that. No trade for me. I want it to tell me. I want the market to tell me what it wants to do. If we disrespect this 4 hour, then we can take a continuation up to these highs. We disrespect that. Look at all these highs right here on the 1 minute. They're like all stacked. They're all like perfect. They want to be taken. $179 points. It's open. It's not terrible. Not terrible. Not too terrible. Watching and waiting. Watching and waiting. Watching and waiting. Once again, this could have been a potential entry, but we didn't have any sweep. We didn't have a good entry for it at all. So I'm not going to take that. We just went up. feel. Just seeing what we doing here. It's kind of like if we move 300 points. We just go straight to the middle and it's no trade, then it's easy. Obviously, I'd prefer to trade, but when we just go up and don't give me an entry, then it's like, it's good because then I know not to take a trade. Makes it easy. All right, we got something here. We got something. Wow. We're gonna short on NQ. I don't think this is gonna work. I don't think we're gonna take the short. Trade's still forming. Let me just like draw what I want to see here. If we could get like, we get that. That would be incredible. I want us to go back up, please. So we can continue higher, still no trade. Just, I also expected today. I mean, I just took a trade yesterday, and the day before that was demo, but it still would have been a trade. So, and I usually only expect to take maybe 3 a week, 2 or 3. Good setups. I mean, yeah, I could take a mid setup, but I'd rather just take like 1 or 2 less setups a week than take 1 or 2 setups that are low probability. But because I'm on the evaluation stage of the funded. But like I said, if we just go up, continue up here, that's okay. I don't really care to be in this move because it was not, I never got an entry for it. The only reason I'd care to be in this move is if I had an entry for me. Off this one minute over here, not even an entry for me. It would have had to tap back in. It would have had to go deeper down. And even then I wouldn't have because we're in this 4-hour imbalance. So So we're looking at it on the 5 minute. Look at that. That's called no trade. And if we want to go up, that's great for my long-term portfolio. So if we want to go straight up, let's do it. Again, it's always like, oh, there's nothing, there's nothing, there's nothing. Then all of a sudden it makes a move and you're like, oh, there's something. This has happened countless times. That's why I was just watching and waiting. We're not going lower on this little move right here. You know what? We need some displacement. Well, here's an average day of Friday price action. You really only get a few good days a week of price action. Usually get like 3. Mondays usually never that great. Tuesday's pretty good. Wednesday's iffy. Thursday's usually pretty good. So it's like Tuesday and Thursdays. You know, Wednesday can be good, but Wednesday sometimes it's news and FOMC and like all this stuff. Kind of annoying. But no, we're still going higher. All right, we're still just like, now we're consolidating, which is interesting. going higher. It's fine. Alright. It's just like just brain rot at this point. Brain rot like PA. Okay. Alright. Alright. It's just like slow, steady. We inverse this, but it's just like, what am I even doing? There we go. There we go. There's something. Come on now. Come on now. Whoa. What in the world? That was a huge gap. Okay. That's some crazy displacement, I'm not gonna lie. Might have missed our entry. Might have missed our entry, but that's fine. Keyword is might have. Alright, I'm in Q. I'm gonna really need a pullback here. I need this. I need this pullback. Check the 5 minute though. Got that gap down there. Okay, bro. Are you serious? Alright. You know what? This is what we were waiting for, and then now it's just like Are you kidding me? And then we just have 4 candles in a row. Not even like a pullback to anything. That's okay. Jeez, bro. Can we retrace SMT and then continue downward? Whoa, 6. I need this retrace, bro. I need this retrace. I need it. We can please get this retrace, bro. Please. I need this. I need this retrace. No, no. Bro. All right. Literally the move I've been waiting for this entire time. And then it just like starts. I actually never even really had an entry, to be honest. Kind of went too fast, honestly. I mean, this isn't even a change in the state. This could be. I could have entered down here. But then my risk would be all skewed. And it's Friday, so it's like... Told you what I need to see, market. I gotta see a pullback, bro. Okay, well, we got news in a minute, so please save me news. Please give me like a retrace. Gosh, bro. Are you serious right now? That's the move that I wanted, bro. I've been saying this entire time. I've been waiting for this move. This entire time. And then it literally doesn't... Okay. And then it just doesn't even give me an entry. Like, I understand we have an inverse for value gap and almost a change in the state, but that's not... That's such an aggressive trade. I'm not taking that on Friday. Like... Alright. Well... What are we... No, literally, like, what are we doing, bro? What are we doing? Well, I mean, that's the move that I wanted to see. I don't know what else to say. Expecting us to maybe retrace further into this, but we didn't, so nothing else I can really do. All right, I'm done. I'm done for the week on that. That's okay. We didn't quite get that entry. If we were a little bit quicker, maybe, but also at the same time, we kind of closed pretty far down. Um, it would have been the same thing as yesterday, literally the same trade as yesterday, but we, if this closed like over here, then we would have probably entered short. I was just waiting for like this retrace so we could retrace back higher. We didn't. You know, it happens. But that's it for the week. So that puts me up on the week, on the funded, on the evaluation, only like $200. But yeah, see you all next week.